So, yung CM and EDR. So, yung CM is Security, Incident, Event, at saka Management. Ito yung ginagamit for computer security. Kumbaga, nandun yung yung security para maprotektahan yung data. Inaalam niya yung incident at yung event that causes the incident at kung paano niya manage yun. So, nakalagay doon is threat detection and investigation, yung CM. Yung security, incident, event, at saka management. So, yung EDR naman, yung endpoint detection and response, yun naman yung endpoint security. Kasi yung CM, hindi lang siya endpoint. Buong buong system. Etong EDR, endpoint, end-to-end yung security. So, ibig sabihin, doon sa endpoint na yun, may security at saka syempre, binibilisan nila yung i-imbestiga. They would investigate the threat and evaluate kung paano yan and then perform necessary measures. So, yun yung bagong natututunan natin. I mean, parang napag-aralan ko pala dati. Parang hindi ata. So, ito yung bago, yung CM at saka yung EDR. So, ito yung mga bagong natututunan natin sa computer security. So, yun lang po.